In this video, we are visiting the GNG community in Circle, Shenzhen. This creative community isn't very large. It has just one renovated old factory building, along with a square and alleyways surrounding it. But overall, it feels very relaxed, and there is quite a lot to explore and enjoy. It used to be an old glass factory, now transformed into a creative community. Here you will find many coffee shops, art show, co-working space, fitness and dance club. Let's take a walk inside. At the entrance, there are a few rusty steel panels, which seem to be remnants from the old factory. It is possibly old iron doors, now turned into a logo wall. The community is located beside a tree-lined street. The street view is quite pleasant, flanked by tall camphor trees. The square in the community retains the original concrete ground. The cracks has also been preserved, adding an industrial and historic vibe. This is a co-working area. Only those who work here can access. This place is full of plants. Stand here, you can barely see the road outside. The edges and walls are covered with plants and climbing vines. The mix of outdoor furniture and greenery create a relaxed and organic atmosphere. The furniture and sofas outside the restaurants are made from modular wooden crates, giving them flexibility. The art installation in the middle is updated periodically. Besides the abundance of plants, many of the outdoor decorations use a lot of grass elements. Grass is the community's core theme. Every year, they host the Grass Festival, which is one of the community's signature events. During the festival, the grass on both sides of the square grows large and tall. People really enjoy the outdoor spaces here. Each area is surrounded by greenery. Markets cluster around the square. The market opens every weekend. This place has been open for nearly 10 years. The building is now covered in greenery. This is the other end of the building. The old factory is a long rectangular structure. The ground floor houses large exhibition spaces and also some commercial units. In the middle is a red platform and staircase. Walking up the stair and look around. Shops mainly selling handicrafts, snacks, clothing, and flowers. On the other side is a steel staircase leading to the top. This is the third floor, looking down from above. Over here is a dance studio, which seems to occupy the entire floor. The space becomes narrower. On one side is the old factory. On the other side are newly added containers. Climbing onto one of the containers and look back. Inside the alley, you can see the old factory wall and lots of southern plants. The new added containers are painted in bright colors, create a contrast between the old and the new. The back alleys is mainly lined with studios, bars, and cafes. We will walk through it in one continuous shot.